Okay, thank you for that. So I'll show you the new technology, the runlinc, and then also we can discuss a little bit more about what you can use the runlinc for, and specifically we're going to talk about how you can help to put together some tourism apps on the phone and make it very interesting for everyone, so that Mr. Lilo, who owns the orphanage, can help him to make more money to keep the orphanage running. I think this is very important as well.
Yeah.
Runlinc page open.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Miro.
That's good.
Yeah.
You should see a page like this. Do you see a page like this?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So this is the page in our laptop.
Yes, excellent. Okay, so I don't know if people can see my video, but
No. Right. Guys are here, right? त्यहाँ पनि हेर्ने यहाँ नि हेर्ने. यो डिभाइस हो है.
Okay, so can you see this Wi-Fi chip here in Australia?
Chip यहाँ छ है.
The web page is actually inside the Wi-Fi chip here in Australia. When you open a web page, it is inside a computer on the internet, and the web page on this one is actually inside this little computer, microchip computer in Australia. Wi-Fi chip. Wi-Fi chip.
अनि त्यही अनुसार है हुन्छ है. ल अहिले अब अहिलेको लागि तिमीहरूलाई एक्जाम्पल के हुन्छ भने यहाँ बत्ती सत्ती बाल्ने के बाल्ने हुन्छ. Yes, Mr. Miro, you can speak. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay. So the Wi-Fi chip is connected to this controller so that it can connect and also connect, for example, the C4, which is on the blue wire, which connects to this magnetic switch, which is a relay box, a magnet, which can switch the lamp here in Australia. So you see here, there's a little connection for the blue wire, C4. So on the page, I want you to go to C4 and select the digital out so that there's a signal on C4. When you select digital out, because your page is connected to the chip, you should see a red off button. Do you see a red off button?
Out. Yeah, Mr. Miro. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so that means that you have activated a signal here, but the signal is off. So to check whether the signal is on, maybe you can get one of the students there to click the red off button to see if we can get a signal. So C4, which connects to the magnetic switch for the lamp.
On.
Here is turned on when you click the button.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Did some of the students want to try? Click the button, turn on my light here in Australia?
Yeah, the guy here is doing.
Excellent. Okay, what is his name?
What is your name, bro? My name is Praveen.
Praveen. Okay, very good. Okay, excellent. So you have turned on the signal here and turned on the switch. If you click it again, then you can turn off the switch again. Okay, Excellent.
Yes, that's good. That's good.